Hi everyone, I'm going to be making for you today a banana cake, banana bread, whatever you want to call it. It's really tasty, it's super easy to make, so we're going to give this a go now. You need roughly about 3 bananas. As you can see here, these bananas have passed their best, and what I did was I just popped them in the freezer. Just to kind of keep them stored really, and then all we're doing is we're going to mush them up, because it doesn't matter for the banana bread. It's a great way of using up old bananas that you don't need. So you can pop them in the freezer, pop them out when you're ready to have a go at making this. So basically what I'm going to do, like I said, about 3 bananas, kind of large bananas, about 400 grams. And I'm going to just mush them up a little bit. Not too much though, because you don't want it too mushy and too pulpy. And to this, I'm then going to add some flour, plain flour. We've got about 250 grams of plain flour. We've also got some bicarb, baking powder, salt and nutmeg. In that goes. We have about 400 grams of sugar. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to fold this together. And it will come together in a sandy kind of texture to begin with. Once you've got that mixed a little bit. See, because as you mix it more, the banana's going to get a little bit more squashed anyway. So that's why you don't really need to kind of pulp it too much in the beginning. There we are. So to this, I'm going to add 3 eggs. I'm going to add them kind of one at a time and give that a nice little mix there. When you feel it's ready for the next one. It's a really easy recipe. You can get the kiddies to have a go. It's quite fun actually. It's a no-brainer. So there we are. That's the last egg going in. Just going to give that a nice mix until it all combines, and kind of the mixture will get a little bit wet. So we're just combining all that now, making sure that baking powder and the flour, bicarb is all mixed in. There we go. And then what we're going to do, you can see that mixture now, it's quite soft. It kind of falls off the spoon quite nicely. And now we're going to add some butter. So we've got 200 grams of butter. Seems quite a lot, but this recipe ensures that it keeps the cake really moist. Really, well, it keeps it super moist, super tasty for about 3 days. So we're just going to completely combine this until it's all incorporated. It takes just a couple of minutes to do it really, so that you've really got that worked in. You don't want any flour particles or any bits that aren't really worked in. There we are. That's lovely, and it's like a batter mix really. It's not really what you'd think as a banana bread, consistency wise. But there we go, you can see it kind of really drops off the spoon very nicely. You could add to this, you could put some chocolate chips in, you could add some nuts. Some pecans would be delicious, really super tasty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in my pre-buttered and floured mould, like that. So we're just going to split this mixture between the two, because it does rise because of the baking powder, and we don't want it to come spilling over the sides, so that you've got a nice dome on your cake. There we are. And like I said, this will keep for probably about 3 days. There we are. So it's about half filled, like so. That's plenty. Now we're just going to put this into an oven The oven's set to 175 degrees. There we are. It's going to take probably 45 minutes, I would imagine. We'll come back and check it after that.